going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Danielle Denese.
And this is your girl Ray.
And we're back with another video.
We're about to do a video unpacking.
Yes, so for Rain's epic 4th Liddy birthday, we're going to, drum roll, Disney World. Yeah. Just do a trip preparation vlog for my daughter's 4th birthday, so we're going to prepare for it. Watch us prepare. First step that we're gonna do, as always, I need to get my hair done, so I'm gonna take out my hair and wash it. Let's get to it.
Calling you, text you too, where'd you go?
Everyone, so we're a couple of days away from our trip. Today I'm just going to take you along for some last minute things I have to get. I just showered and got dressed. Rain's using the bathroom. She's about to shower and get dressed as well. I'm going to drop off the dance school and I'm going to do what I have to do. If you're a parent, you understand it's better to do things when your child is not with you sometimes, so that you don't always have to hear, "Mommy, give me, I want this, I want that, give me this, give me that, please, Mommy, please." No. Her school, she's actually having a school party the day before we go away. So I have to go get like the stuff for the party, the goodie bag. While she's in dance school, I'm going to take care of that. I think that's pretty much the only thing I have to do. I did good this time. I really didn't have to get too much stuff. I've been like just ordering it. In my mind, there was no point of vlogging that stuff. It's not really stuff I had to go out and get. So yeah, that's pretty much what we have to do today. Just come along for the process. Come.
Okay, today my birthday's coming up, and then inside the days, and I want to show ya
how we prepare
our clothes, and we can, and I can see we when we get, and when we get
yeah, so you're going to dance school
when I get to dance school.
If you're here, please appear and don't be shy.
So we had a change of plans. Rain's coming along. Reason being, we done went to, I really wasn't trying to go to Party City, or if not, I was going to try to make that my last stop. All the other stops took very long. Rain's dance school is out the way. It didn't make no sense to go to Party City to have to try to make it time for her dance school. We picked her up and now she's coming. So my plan of her not asking for unnecessary stuff did not work. So let's see how this goes. Rain. You sleepy? You cranky? Oh, let's see. I think we should do Minnie Mouse for the girls and Mickey Mouse for the boys. Minnie Mouse. Oh. Excuse me. Look, it's right here. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. It's 8 girls and 8 boys. Oh, perfect. 8 exact. It's not your birthday yet. All right. Okay, so we decided to do Minnie Mouse and Toy Story because Mickey Mouse, they didn't have gift bags. Right?
Yeah. And guys, I got candy basket because Mommy told me yes.
Okay. So, Hey y'all, I didn't even show y'all, so I finished my nails.
And guys!
It's like a half tortoise and
guys!
half French.
And guys! And I mommy do my
Yeah, and now we're taking out her hair. Don't ask me why. I come home from getting my nails done and she has on this Christmas dress. I don't know. Now, like I said, it's just trip preparation. Taking out her hair. Tomorrow I'm gonna wash it. Yeah, she bumped her head. Look, she's supposed to be putting this ice pack on it. Right before. He was just not trying to listen to me. But I'm gonna check back in with y'all when we finish. When we finish.
Yes!
On my way to get my hair done.
Yeah, and I'm going to Daddy's house.
Yeah.
Let's see, I still got a bump.
Yeah. It's not a lot. It's not a lot, right, Killa? I always have this much out, right? Because this one's going to go into this one, this one's going to go into this one, and this one's going to go like that, and this one's going to go into this one, and this one. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, good morning. So this is another day. I actually just dropped Rain off to school. I'm actually about to start packing. I don't even think I showed y'all the finished product. So this is actually my hair. Just have like triangle part Brock sprays. I'm not sure if y'all can see it. But yeah, I just got triangle part Brock sprays. They're like butt length long. No, got my baby hairs on fleek. But I decided to just use this time to actually pack my stuff. I'm not sure if I'm going to pack Rain stuff yet because there's a little bit of outfits I want to finalize and it's hard to do it if she's not here. So let me show you what we got going on. So as always, if y'all know me or y'all don't know me, I normally start to figure out what I want to wear for my trip and I just put them in a corner. So I have to go through this to make sure this is what I want to wear and I have to go pack it. I'm actually about to go bring up the suitcase. So let me go do that really quickly. So I got my suitcase up here and I'm about to pack. Packing. This time I think I'm actually going to use some packing cubes. So be right back. All right, y'all. So I'm back. I'm actually about to be on my way to go get my wax. For us females, you know, it's one of them hate-love relationship with waxes. I'm dreading it, but then I know after I'm be like, that's why I keep getting it. So yeah, my appointment is actually in like about 15 minutes. So let me hurry up and get there. So yeah, come along. I ain't feel like paying for parking. So I had to park on the side blocks. Walking there now. All right, y'all. So we're back. We just finished packing. This is our stuff.
Guys, and Mommy's gonna wash my hair.
Yes. So I just want to show y'all. We just finished packing. So we have Rain's carry-on and wheeling luggage. We have my luggage and my little personal item. Well, I said that wrong. That's her personal item. This is her suitcase. And then we have my luggage and my personal item. Just finished with that. And now I have to actually wash her hair. So I'm about to wash her hair and do it because we actually leave tomorrow night. Well, tomorrow night, early Wednesday morning. Our flight is very early. Come on, girl. Let's go wash this hair.
I'm gonna stay here and play my toy.
So I'm gonna see if her hair takes too long to get washed. I'll probably show y'all me doing, or I may make a separate video of me doing her hair for her birthday. I'm not too sure yet. I may not. It depends on how it goes. Cause you see, y'all see all this hair it's a process. Okay. So we check back in with y'all. Peace. Good morning, y'all.
Good morning, guys. And this is your round girl, Rainy, and my hair is done. Mommy made it.
Yep. Yeah, so I finally finished her hair late last night, so I didn't record it. Imagine me recording it, would have took even longer. So I just did a little something, something. Yeah, a little something, something, something. Little something, something, something for the birthday girl. So yeah, we just finished her party bags. These are for the girls. These are for the boys. Toy Story for the boys. Minnie Mouse for the girls. So we're about to go head to her school and what she wrote, right?
Yes, and guys, I have
And
my
she has on a little dress she wants to wear today.
and I
for
got
her
my
Uggs.
book and my necklace.
Mm-hmm.
And my mom said I could wear this Minnie Mouse necklace because it looks so cute.
So yeah, just getting ready to do that. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably not gonna be able to record it because you see how much bags that is for me to carry. So to record and carry, that's doing too much. But I'm gonna check back in with y'all a little bit later. But pretty much everything is pretty much all crossed off my checklist. Only thing I have left to do today is get my eyebrows done. And fortunately, I'm not able. Y'all, somebody calls me. But basically, what I was saying was I'm so mad I can't get my toenails done because the end of the summer I went to a family party and the cousin is like 6 feet tall. I had like open toe, heels on, and he stepped on my feet and he was wearing like shoes, not sneakers. If y'all know, ladies or anyone, the men's shoes, like the heel is very sharp, especially on good quality dress up shoes, men's dress up shoes. They're really sharp. So he stepped on like the both of my feet and cracked my toenail. So my toenail's not done growing in. So I'm like, I'm just gonna wait. I don't want to put a fake nail on it. I just feel like I just need to leave my toes alone. So I haven't been getting my toenails done since August because of this, because my toes has been going through it. It's been real. So yeah, the only thing I have left to do is just get my eyebrows done because these things need to be done. And I'm gonna get my eyelashes done because I just want to wake up and go. I don't want to have to be applying and all that every day. So I'll check back in with y'all later. We about to actually go to her school right now. I actually have to leave right now. So later, y'all.
If I leave you all alone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I can't believe we don't belong.
Hey y'all, so I'm back. Dropping off everything was a success for my daughter's party. I wish I could be there, but this COVID rules and regulation stuff that schools are doing now. But her teacher's supposed to be sending me pictures and stuff. We'll see how that goes. I'm about to just head to go get my eyebrows done right now. So yeah, let's go.
She don't wanna see me alive. I wanna tell her I got her, yeah. And this will be no problem, yeah. Literally, no.
But this is, I keep doing this. I keep forgetting to come back and show y'all. Like, y'all already see it. I feel like I'm cramped for time. I have so much to do in so little time. Yeah, so these are my eyebrows. She did a really good job. I did not play that. I went to my girl. Did not play. We don't have time to play. Okay, and she didn't play. She did not come to play with these brows, girl. Girl, I might not even need to fill them in for the week. They is giving. They is giving. And so I'm back. Just did my eyelashes, so now we look like a little something, something.
And guys, I do it.
She did good. She did good. She did good. It's my first time really getting like it done like this. They look good though.
And guys, I do repeat and
And she has her little pedicure. She said she wanted a pedicure and manicure for her birthday. I feel like she's a little bit too young to be going to the professionals, so we gonna do at home preparation for her.
I put my feet on here.
Let me show y'all. Let's see, Rain. Ooh.
I'm playing with the bubbles.
You getting your pedicure?
I'm playing with bubbles.
Don't get that all over the floor. All right. Let's enjoy your pedicure. Enjoy it, girl.
What happened I put my feet all the way on me?
It's almost birthday, girl. How does it feel?
Good.
Good? Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh. Let me see. You got hot pink, and then you have, it's like a salmony pink. Ooh, so pretty. It's so pretty.
I
Oh, the buto. All right. All right, y'all. So I'm freshly shaved, washed, showered, all of that. Her too. I'm calling it a night. Gotta get up really early. We actually have to leave here at 4. That's how early our flight is. So it's already 10, so I'm about to go to sleep for a couple of hours, wake up. I have to shower before I get on the plane. That's just me. Because once we get off the plane, it's go time. So yeah, see y'all in the morning.
So why won't you please pick up the phone? Don't make me wait for you.